Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo Y52 5G, and let me share with you how to speed up your device. So actually, fortunately, in this model, in this device, all you have to do is to simply enter the iManager, and then your device will do everything. So let's enter the iManager, and here we've got the option fast. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right now, your device will scan for junk files and some data which is not necessary. So let's wait. And as you can see, your device just counts everything which can be removed. So all you have to do is to simply tap on clean up all. What's more, under it you've got the specific cleanup. So you've got the data which is attached to particular apps, and under it you've got in-depth clean up. So you can remove some data from the apps. I will stick with this regular one. So let's tap on clean it up, and as you can see, we've got the information that everything has been cleaned, and you've got more space. So actually, this is it. This is how to speed up your Vivo Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.